Hello, friends. Today we are going to learn about milk banking and how it has affected the lives of billions of the children across the globe. God's greatest gift to any woman is to become a mother, and the relationship between the child and mother is one of its kind. The baby is completely dependent after the birth on the mother's milk for its survival and its nutrition. The milk produced during the first few days after the pregnancy is known as the colostrum, which is yellowish in color, contains several antibodies, and it is a complete diet for the child. Volume is about 1 to 2 liters per day and helps in maintenance of the immunity and the resistance of the newborn baby. Feeding the baby is very necessary for the mother, which keeps both the mother and baby fit for the entire life. There are many women who cannot provide their babies with the milk, and hence your milk bank plays a very important role where milk of mothers after delivery is being processed and preserved for further use. It is a service which collects, screens, processes, and dispenses by prescription human milk donated by nursing mothers. It involves many steps like donor skinning, milk extraction, logging, processing, pasteurization, freezing, culture assessment, milk quality testing, storage, and distribution. There are few protocols for soliciting donor and collecting and processing of the milk. And milk donors are the new mothers who are in good health and who are not suffering from any infections like HIV. The mother must not smoke or regularly use any medication, herbs, and megavitamins or any other drugs like cocaine and heroin and alcohol as well. The methods of collection and types of containers used varies among the milk bank, and donors are educated about hygienic milk expressions and given containers for expression of the milk. The screening and processing of the milk is done in the further step, and pasteurization is also undertaken. The colony count should be zero and no bacterial growth should be detected in this condition. The milk should be kept very well stored in the freezers. The distribution is done within the neonatal intensive care units or NICU for the premature or critically ill babies, and sometimes donor milk can also be shipped to the recipient's home. Breast milk content of the mothers of premature baby differs from that of the mothers of the full-term baby, and hence the primary milk is stored differently. Like blood banks, all milk banks sometimes use newspaper, televisions, and radio ads to solicit donors. And NICUs with adequate storage can also be promote the milk banking. The premature babies, full term babies with GI disorders are the most common recipients, and it is also been used in adults for its palliative, nutritive, and immunological advantages. So, the Naristanya is also mentioned in Ayurveda for treatment of various disorders like Raktapitta. The milk banks in the world are shown. The pioneer of milk banking in India is Dr. Armida Fernandez, and there are many milk banks currently functional in India. And Ayurveda also focuses on this blessing